In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for designers. We'll walk through setting up a ready-made design workspace, reviewing assets, and updating status so you can manage creative work with clarity from day one. Start by heading to the Monday.com homepage and signing into your account. From your dashboard, look toward the top for the blue plus button. This is your shortcut for adding new items to your workspace. Give it a click to open the creation options. Using this button keeps everything consistent inside your existing structure, which is great for team visibility and handoffs. Next, open the Template Center. This is where Monday.com keeps pre-built boards and workflows for different roles and industries, including design. Templates save a ton of setup time and come with columns, views, and automations that already reflect creative processes. On the left side of the Template Center, choose the Design category. This filters out everything that isn't relevant to creative teams and lets you focus on options tailored to asset production, feedback cycles, and approvals. Select the Digital Asset Management template. It's a popular choice for designers because it organizes files, versions, and statuses in a visual way that's easy to scan. Before you add it to your account, take a moment to review the template's features. Check the included columns like status, owner, due date, and file attachments. Review the preset views such as a main table, gallery, or card layout, and look for any sample automations. Ask yourself whether the labels match your workflow and whether the structure supports how your team shares and approves assets. When you're ready, click the small arrow next to the Use Template button. This lets you choose exactly where to place the template so it stays organized with your other projects. Pick the workspace where your design team collaborates, or if you want to jump in immediately, just click Use Template and it will create the board for you. Once the board is added, switch to the main table view from the tabs at the top. The main table is the backbone of your asset tracking. You'll see items like logos, banners, or campaign visuals, each with columns for status, priorities, or links. If you need to adjust labels later, that's easy to do, but for now, let's explore the built-in views. Open the Files Gallery view to quickly review any attachments. This view lays out files visually, which is perfect for scanning multiple iterations at once. Use this to spot outdated files, verify final exports, or compare different format versions without digging through each item. When you're ready to return to your workflow, switch to the Asset Cards view. This presents items as cards, making it simple to focus on one asset at a time and see key fields at a glance. It's a great hub for creative leads doing quick stand-ups or status checks. Now click into an item like Company Logo. Inside the item, look for a field or group labeled Final Version. This is typically where approved files or ready-to-ship assets live. It keeps the last approved design easy to find for handoffs to marketing, web, or product teams. Update the status to Working on it to reflect progress. Status changes are essential for visibility, helping project managers and stakeholders see where each asset stands without pinging the team. Choose the option that best fits your stage. We're using Working on it here as a practical example. Close the item by clicking the X in the corner to return to your board. If you see a small thumbnail image under the item, click it to preview the file. This quick peek helps you confirm details, like dimensions or branding, without opening external apps. Review the preview, then close it to return to your board. And that's the core flow. With Monday.com's design-focused templates, you can centralize files, standardize statuses, and move from concept to final with fewer back and forths. As you continue, consider tailoring column names to your team's language, refining views for different stakeholders, and using automations to nudge reviews and approvals. This foundation will keep your next creative project organized, transparent, and right on track.